Hey guys, it's Cody with Homestead, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get the roll bar down on your zero-turn motor. So I have a Hustler, however it will work for whatever brand you may have. They're basically the same. This seems like a very simple thing to do. However, I encountered a couple issues, especially with a newer mower, and that's what I'm going to teach you today. Basically, it's going to involve this little area right here, and we'll get into that in a second. So the easiest thing to do right off the bat is to remove your pins, okay? So your pins are held in with a little latch, and we are just going to pull these guys out. Boom. All right, so for the sake of the video, I've already done this, okay? I already took the one on the left side out. However, I wanted to show you something. So I'm going to move you just a little bit. So it appears when you're looking at the bar that the bar is straight up, okay? But the bar is actually canted a little bit backwards. So I'll put you back down now. All right, if you're trying to pull these pins and they're just not coming, it's because this bar is canted back slightly. So we need to push it forward so that it is actually straight up and down. And I want you to pay attention to these pins, because I'm going to take my hand, I'm going to push it. I want you to watch these pins. They should move. You can kind of even see here. You can kind of even see here how there is a piece sticking out. And I'm not going to touch it. I'm just going to push the bar. All right, here we go. See how that pin just moved on its own? That's just what it should be doing. So now I can remove these super easy. There's one, and here's the other one. Now, when I bought my mower, those pins were out, and even though it moves right now, it was not moving then. So what happened was, because everything was tight from the factory, even with the pins out, the roll bar would stay up. The trick to this is this little assembly right here. I have this little bolt here. It's a 19 millimeter, if you got it like a socket wrench. And it has a nut on this side right here. Okay? So what you need to do, put you guys back down, is you need to put your socket wrench here and have a way of holding, probably like a pair of pliers or vice grips or something, holding the nut on this side and just loosen it up a little bit. Then go on your left side and do the same thing too. So once I did that, it actually got really loose and fell, and it hit me in the head, which is a whole nother story about how clumsy I am. However, that will do it. So you can go from not even getting this thing down to getting it down right away. Like I said, some may be a lot more loose than mine when I got it from the dealer. But like I said, even without the pins, it would not come down. We were pulling it. We looked like idiots. However, just loosening this little guy up right here is all it takes. Loosen it up on both sides. You'll be good to go. Super short video today, guys. Just trying to help you out. I know that right now most of us aren't cutting grass, but I couldn't find this kind of video anywhere on the internet, so I just made it, hoping to help you guys out. But look, it's getting close to the holiday season, and I just wanted to say, from my family to yours, I wish you a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, whatever you guys celebrate, and a soon-to-be Happy New Year. 2024 has been pretty crazy so far, and I hope we finish it up on a positive note. If this video has been helpful for you, I would appreciate a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for those who have already subscribed. But this is the kind of channel that I am. I make helpful videos to try to help you out and save some money. Occasionally, me and Angie, we do some kooky things here and there. But for the most part, it's homesteading and how-to videos. But anyways, this has been Cody with Homestead, out here.